Kanu, so that's of course the political side that is currently engrossed in a political showdown. All sorts of reactions coming in from the opposition parties. To the viewer tuning in right now to this telecast, quickly take us through what was in the hearing, because Harish Talwe said we need 30th June if you need a comprehensive data. And why did the court say that doesn't matter, give us 2 sets and that should be enough?
Yes, Pooja, the Supreme Court in its verdict on February 15th has also, made it very, very clear that they only wanted the data from the on the list of the purchaser and which political party has redeemed it. So it was the SBI who has interpreted the data that, the matching of the data needs to be done. Supreme Court has today in its hearing made it very, very clear that the data which is there with the SBI should be revealed as soon as possible, and that is why the deadline till tomorrow 5 p.m. was given to the SBI to give. The Supreme Court has, in its order said that, SBI has willfully disobeyed the Supreme Court order and warned the SBI chairman that, if the deadline is not adhered to at this point of time, then, the contempt of court of proceedings, which was demanded by CPIM and ADR in this case, will be initiated, and there'll be no looking back after this. And the Supreme Court has also directed the Election Commission of India to publish all this data by March 15th on their official website. Remember, this March 13 was the last time the Supreme Court in its judgment has said the deadline was for Election Commission for March 13, but now it has been extended to March 15, keeping in wake the circumstances which has now what has happened today. The Supreme Court has also said that the argument put forward by the SBI that the matching of the data needs 3 months time doesn't hold good, because SBI is the largest bank of the country, and something like this, the matching of the data comes at when we are talking of digital India is a thing which cannot be accepted by the Supreme Court. So Supreme Court has heavily come down on SBI and said that the order of February 15 of disclosing the details about the purchaser and which political party has got it will have to be disclosed by tomorrow 5 p.m.
All right, Kanu sir, then all our legal correspondents will try and get more understanding of what precisely happened in the court, and then with regard to the order as well. Thank you so much, Kanu, for updating us of what was the reason for which the CJI dismissed the plea of the SBI and said furnish the details to the ECI in the next 24 hours.